My name is Ray. I'm with Team S.T.E.A.M. This morning I'm here at Flash Industrial Painting. All right, now that I've got our fiberglass in place here and you can feel the heat coming off of it, and I'm going to wait for that to go ahead and cure out. Now I'm going to begin the process of making a vintage Art Deco looking teapot that'll be permanently attached to the top and will technically be the handle that you'll use to open it. And what I'm going to begin with is this lid off of an argon tank. All right, I got this covered in tin foil, and then I've got it taped at the bottom with clear tape. I'm going to go ahead and cover this now with a layer or two of fiberglass so I can unmold it later and have the general shape that I need. Now I've got my fiberglass all cut. These wider pieces will go around this band. These narrower pieces will go below that because these pieces, which are custom cut, will go over the top. There's 3 of each. And they'll go over the top, and by the time it moves down over this bend, these will have closed up. That way they're not all bunched up, is the idea. But where they all come down here, they're going to meet this guy and kind of get bunched up. It's going to form kind of a ring around it. In order to even that out a little bit down, that's why I've got these. They'll go beneath that. They'll fill this space beneath that and fatten it up as much as it's going to be with this layer over the top of this layer right here where they meet. That's the idea. Now what I've done here is I've just cut out, around 10 layers of fiberglass, and I've cut them out in this shape, the shape of the spout that I wish to use. And then I stuffed the middle of them with some cardboard so I can form it around it. So it's got a circular shape. Then this guy right here is going to be the handle of the teapot, and I've cut about 8 layers or so fiberglass out in the rough shape. And I'm going to do them all together here. I'm going to do all these together here on top of this tinfoil surface so I can come back later and shape them exactly how I want them to be. Now we've got them done. The spout's about 12 layers thick. The handle's about 8, I suppose. And then I put the little cardboard filler in the middle of the handle to give it more curvature, or the spout to give it more curvature. Then when they're all cured out, I'm going to pull them up off there and shape them the way they need to be. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and trace that onto there and that onto there so I can go ahead and cut these designs out. Just like that. Get them all traced off. Now I can work on getting them cut out. Now remember, we put the clear packing tape on the backs of these in hopes that they'll come off easier. There it is, nice and clean. Packing tape still here, fiberglass is here, nice and shiny. Nice and clean. Oh, it's stuck to the other tape. That's fine. Then I'm gonna go ahead and figure out exactly the design I want to do in here and get it traced out so I can get these cut. So what do you say we cut these guys out then? They're good and cured out. It's about time we make some doors. All right, so we've got these cut out. That makes it easier where I can go ahead and remove the foil, remove the tape, and shape them how I want them. Here's my design I've settled on. It's just roughly marked in there. I had to figure that out so I know where to cut this bottom line. So I've separated this fiberglass piece here that I molded off of this argon tank cap. You can see where I scraped the paint off of it. But now I've got what I wanted. See a tin foil inside? That's not hurting anything. That's going to be my teapot. It's going to have the handles and the spout. And forming those with sanders is the next thing that I'm getting ready to do.